going on, guys? Today we are here sort of just doing some scouting in one of my favorite locations. Really beautiful, kind of off the grid, get away. And I do have my protection as usual for any types of threats. But the main intention for the vlog today was just to kind of inform you guys and let you guys know that the purpose of the vlogs are for legacy. And another big one is, for me, filmmaking. Huge passion of mine. Definitely it's something that I love to do. Both static and dynamic filmmaking are my favorite. It's going to be about 65 miles southwest of Pueblo, Colorado. And I'm out here today doing some scouting, kind of going a little further than the last point that I went last time I was out here. So the primary intentions for the vlog are going to be, for example, filmmaking. They're going to be for like inspiration, motivation. Also, it's for legacy, which in terms would be just for my son's future reference, for myself, to kind of go back and get a really good idea of what we used to do, things that we used to see, places we used to go, like this place, for instance. Looks like we might have had someone come through this way at some point in time. It's not fresh, not from what I can see. Really beautiful out here. So this is something to me that I enjoy coming to do. Just kind of get away, see what else I can think about and kind of encounter. So I just had to kind of bring you guys up to date on some of the stuff that was going on, just because in the digital world, people can kind of get your intentions confused or what have you. So just a simple update, just kind of let you guys know, hey, but just so that everybody on the same platform and in the same community as myself is kind of on the same page and knows what's going on. Wow, this is really pretty. Knows what's going on with myself, and if you have any questions, just comment and kind of just ask away. I mean, I'm really not opposed to anything, or if you have suggestions for things that you guys might want to see, places that you might want to see me go, or what have you, then just comment or kind of let me know, and this way we can sort of reach more of a personal perspective as far as the vlogs and how some of the things that I'm doing are going. These are vlogs that I want people to be able to look back and remember and kind of get motivation from, and get maybe even a little bit of inspiration to come out and do something other than just what you would normally do. Try to mix it up a little bit. Like, for example, out here, it's extraordinary. I mean, there's tons and tons of things to do other than, kind of the norm, sort of. Just, broaden your perspective a little bit. Sorry guys, it turns out it's a little too cold out here for my cell phone, which is actually what this is being filmed on. But regardless, just to kind of let you guys know that the vlogs are simply for motivation, legacy, everything that had been talked about before. But So I appreciate, you know, everybody who kind of tunes in and checks it out. This is pretty awesome here. It's kind of like something out of a movie or something. But to say the least, I greatly appreciate it, you know, all of the support and everybody who kind of follows along. It's pretty awesome. It's really nice and encouraging, and it motivates me because I do have some people in my close circle that tell me that I motivate them. And so at this point, we're going to relocate to back to my truck. We are going to go ahead and head out. It's getting a little cold, a little louder than I anticipated. So we're going to head out here. Again, though, just wanted to thank you guys for kind of joining along.